Naging matagumpay ang Exercise Alon 2025 sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Australia sa kabila ng pagbatikos ng China. Ang detalye sa Agenda Weekend Report ni Francis Polve.
Opisyal nang nagtapos ang Exercise Alon 25 na nagpalakas sa partnership ng Australian Defence Force at Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ito ang pinakamalaking overseas exercise na nilahukan ng ADF. Simula noong August 15, nasa 3,600 ang lumahok sa War Games, kasama ang mga tropang Pinoy. Naipamala sa mga pagsasanay ang interoperability ng mga puwersa ng Canberra at Maynila sa lupa, dagat, at himpapawid. Kasama na rin ang special operation at essential support mula sa cyber at space elements. Lumahok din sa military drill ang United States Marine Corps at Royal Canadian Army. Tulad ng inaasahan, inakusahan ng Beijing ang Maynila na nagdudulot ng gulo sa South China Sea. Ito'y sa kabila ng joint drills kung saan ang ilang bahagi ay ginawa mismo sa West Philippine Sea. Sagot ng magkaalyadong Defense Force.
We're doing exercise of freedom of navigation, and we had a dual maritime patrol to exercise that increase the interoperability of both the navies of the Australia and the Philippine Navy. So there's nothing wrong with that, I think.
It is normal for allies and partners to train together, to build interoperability, and certainly normal for allies and partners to exercise within each other's territories, to build that interoperability between our two countries.
Pati ang palasyo may hirit din.
We cannot stop China from making its own narrative, but they cannot also stop us from fighting for our rights based on laws, on clause, arbitrary ruling, and for our being independent country.
Di rin mapipigilan ng China ang mas malaking balikatan exercises kasama ang Amerika at iba pang mga bansa. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Francis Polve, Billionaire News Channel.